Hey guys, I hope you're doing well, guys. Long time no see. Welcome to Just Sophia. If you're new here, please, guys, consider subscribing to this channel. I do how to make money online videos, personal finance, personal development, just anything that will change your life positively. So, if that is the kind of content you're looking for on YouTube, just please subscribe to this particular channel, okay? So, on today's video on how to make money online, we continue encouraging you to explore TikTok as one of the platforms in which you can make money, and we have made more money. By we, I mean my house girl. So now, guys, I mentioned in my last previous video that there are so many ways. There are different ways in which you can make money on TikTok. One of them being that you can go live, and then people that are watching you can send you gifts. Yes. So these gifts, you can exchange them for money, which you can withdraw in your PayPal account. You can also sell merchandise for those people who have made a brand for themselves. You can sell t-shirts, you can sell cups, you can sell coffee mugs, and just, yeah, anything. Yeah, merchandise. So you can sell merchandise on TikTok. You can also sell just any product or service. For those who are in Kenya, you are aware that we are no longer going to Gikomba or Toy Market or Ngara, because now we can simply just sit there and watch people sell things on TikTok, and then we pay for them, then they are delivered. Nowadays, what people are looking for is convenience, and if you can offer that, then good for you. So if you are in business and you're not on TikTok, if you're not on social media, you are making a big mistake. You are missing out on a very um, large what consumer base or customer base. So I hope you can leverage that platform. I don't know if you have made money on TikTok, guys. Please comment down below and let us know which way you have used among the ones that I have mentioned and the ones that I mentioned on my previous video. As usual, this is a social media platform. You need to grow, because now, of course, you can only make money if you have a following. When people like Nyako in Kenya, I don't know, she lives in Kenya or she lives where, but now she's a Kenyan anyway. So when they say they are making millions on TikTok, you better believe it. But now you need to have over 1,000 and above followers for you to be able to go live, and for you to also even to sell your stuff, you need a large following. So make sure that you post valuable content, whether it is entertainment, whether it is a comedy, whether it is a just educational stuff, so that you can grow your audience, and then you can make money from them in those several ways. So now let me just show you evidence, because I know Kenyans love evidence. Okay, everyone loves evidence, so I'm gonna give it to you. So here it is, guys. Hello, Judith Omulama. TikTok has sent you 46.29 US dollars. So not from TikTok, this is from Arao Koni. That is the account of my house girl. So this is evidence. This is from 10 days ago. And then there's another one. Hello, Judith. TikTok has sent you $58.72. This is from 6 days ago. So you can actually earn a salary from TikTok, guys. So if you are someone who is lovable, lively, who can give people stories, who can be entertaining, who can be if you can be a comedian, if you can offer valuable services, like if you can just give people value, whether you're going to make them laugh or advise them or educate them on anything that you are good at, if you can hold a live for over 1 hour, then you can make money on TikTok. So you simply go there. Of course, you need to have 1,000 and above followers, and then people who will join you, and of course make your life longer, so that more and more people can come and join you. So those people are the ones who will feel it in their heart to send you this money, and then you can now change it into dollars and then withdraw from your PayPal. So I hope it is something that you have tried. If you have, please comment down below and let us know. If you haven't, please let us know if you It is something that you'll be willing to try. And yeah, just talk to us in the comment section down below. So guys, that's it. That's the money we have made on TikTok for the last, is it 14 days, like half a month. If you have a large following and if you are consistent, you can actually make a lot of money from this platform. So like I said, I hope you can try it out and let us know. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, guys, I don't know what you're looking for, waiting for, but this is where you should be. This is the home of make money online channels. So please consider subscribing, click the notification bell, leave me a comment of any video that you would love to see on this channel, and let's meet on the next video. Bye.